Alrighty, we're gonna show everybody the self-checkout system. So I'm gonna show the screen really quick. That's what it'll look like when you come up to it. And we have 2 of these. There's one on the other side of the checkout counter, but here's this one for now. Okay, Christina, what do we do?
So if you're checking your books out, you'll hit checkout on the screen.
Okay.
And then you'll put your card under the red line.
Okay, and then how many items are we gonna do at a time?
So you could be brave and try all the items if you wanted to,
Okay.
but I would recommend going with smaller piles
Okay.
and kind of like fanning them out that way
Okay.
because they're easier to read that day.
Ooh, you can see all of them,
way.
so that's cool. So she had 3 plants, they all checked out. That's awesome.
Okay, so we'll take those off the pad.
She's gonna do the rest of her
And
pile.
We're gonna do, there we go. Hit the done button. And you can choose if you want a receipt or not. So
Okay.
I want a receipt. Which is that you checked out 5 items.
Nice.
And there's your receipt.
Okay. Beautiful. So what if we want to check our account? What if we're just like curious about what we have?
Yeah, so to check your account, just hit the account button, put your library card underneath the red line, and it'll beep at you.
Okay, it shows that you have 5 items out. Very nice. You could print your report if you wanted
Yeah,
to.
so if I need to print that out, do that. And it prints out everything you have checked out, if you have any fines or not, due dates, holds ready to pick up, all the important information.
Very cool.
So, and don't forget to hit done to take your information off the screen.
Okay.
And that's
Super
it. And then you're good to go.
You can run away. You can go out the door. Woo! And I'm just gonna walk towards the other checkout to show them where that one's at too. Cause why not? Come on.
This one.
Okay. So there's 2 of them. So if there's a line, there's a line over at our front counter. There's 2 more you can self-checkout at. You don't have to talk to another human if you don't want
Or
to.
if there isn't a line at the front counter, you can use the self-checkout anyway.
Yeah.
Because it's fast, it's easy,
Yeah. Very cool.
whatever your preference is.
Perfect. Thanks, Christina.